There are times in our life when surviving is tough, and at those times we seek sanctuary and consolation in wise words. Quotations help us see things from a new angle and from a distinct point of view. Explore this section to obtain your fill of wise sayings and motivational sayings from well-known people all across the world.
This life, which had been the tomb of his virtue and of his honor, is but a walking shadow, a poor player, that struts and frets his hour upon the stage, and then is heard no more. It is a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury, signifying nothing.
Like as the waves make towards the pebbled shore, so do our minutes hasten to their end. Life every man holds dear, but the dear man holds honor far more precious dear than life. Talking isn't doing. It is a kind of good deed to say well, and yet words are not deeds. The evil that men do lives after them, the good is oft interred with their bones. Sweet are the uses of adversity which, like the toad, ugly and venomous, wears yet a precious jewel in his head. Be not afraid of greatness. Some are born great, some achieve greatness, and others have greatness thrust upon them. What a piece of work is a man, how noble in reason, how infinite in faculties, in form and moving how express and admirable, in action how like an angel, in apprehension how like a god. If you can look into the seeds of time, and say which grain will grow and which will not, speak then unto me. I hold the world but as the world, Gratiano, a stage where every man must play a part, and mine is a sad one. And this, our life, exempt from public haunt, finds tongues in trees, books in the running brooks, sermons in stones, and good in everything. We cannot conceive of matter being formed of nothing, since things require a seed to start from. Therefore there is not anything which returns to nothing, but all things return dissolved into their elements. Thou knowest the first time that we smell the air we wail and cry. When we are born we cry, that we are come to this great state of fools. If to do were as easy as to know what were good to do, chapels had been churches, and poor men's cottage princes' palaces. The man that hath no music in himself, nor is not moved with concord of sweet sounds, is fit for treasons, stratagems and spoils.